is the answer to that. Nobody gives a rat's ass about your logo, only you. And it's not important to have to begin with. Now, I'm going to put some caveats around that, okay? First caveat is you can get your logo trademarked for brand registry really easy. And that's a really cool thing to do. And then whatever you put your logo onto, that's also then trademarked for brand registry. So do it once, never have to do it again. Kind of cool. So there's that. Also, if you are going to do a logo, then, you know, this is who I use for my logos. Graphic River, dead easy. What did we just do? We just did a aquarium, didn't we? We just did an aquarium example. So just type in aquarium in there. Aquarium logo comes up. Let's just hit search. How many do we get? 119 different aquarium logos come up. And you can see it's what? Between $29 and $35, $44. And that gets you your logo. Bada boom, bada bing. You've got your logo. So if you are going to do a logo, no worries. Just get it from Graphic River. Don't spend thousands of dollars on it. I don't get that it's important. Certainly hasn't been in my experience. Amazon, selling on Amazon is different to selling things in a shop. It's way different. And logo space is space where you're not selling. And nobody cares about your logo until you get to $20,000 a month in turnover. And then I would be aggressively logoing everything, all right? But to begin with, I don't get that it's extremely important. Designers will disagree with me, no doubt. And this will no doubt get lots of horrible comments. But my mercenary, save your money take on it is save your money, or if you insist on doing it, buy something from here, and that way you've got it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.